Buongiorno and welcome in the heart of Dolomite Mountains, northeast of Italy, where Piazza Rosa company was founded by Zenon family in 1983. The company has an important historical background in the field of mold surfaces. One of the most important steps for Piazza Rosa was its acquisition in July 2017, which enabled the company to move in a global scenario thanks to Standex Engraving Moldtech and become part of a group of 45 facilities all around the world. We generate value through the technologies of aesthetical and functional surface improvement. We manage every processes, from concept design to production startup support.
The major markets of the company can be grouped in two main, sectors: the automotive sector and medical sector, where the technology and the precision are expressed on the high maximum level. Furthermore, we can also say that we are increasing the activities also in the high-end fashion sectors, such as eyewear and footwear sector. We are experimenting day by day the importance to satisfy our customers' needs, and we are reacting in a fast way, and thanks to our high technological laser tools mixed with our employee know-how, we are gaining an important key advantage in the worldwide market.
We are mostly engraving tools for plastic injection and similar, but our R&D team is working daily on exploring possibilities of laser technology to find better solutions for present needs and create new applications for new markets. Being a worldwide company like Standex Engraving Moldtech get us in touch with many sectors, and this means we are getting different requests, not only for graining, but also for innovative applications. The company is involved in many industrial applications, and texturing is one of the key divisions. The Laser S is a great machine. We have new features, new options that is great for us as technicians. We can use our knowledge to wisely choose the new options, and this can lead to faster engraving time. That is always good both for us and our customers, and together with better quality, and it's great for us, of course. And also we did several tests, and we found that the machine is very, very stable during time, and is wonderful for production because we don't have to care much more about calibration of the machine and other side effects. With the new options, we can review maybe old project that has been sentenced as not feasible, or maybe that was too much time consuming. So we expect to expand a lot our capabilities and get rid of some of the issues that maybe we can find when we are very pushing the technology and getting very strange new application that maybe can lead to new markets and new business. This part have some challenge about quality and speed, and with the Laser S you can improve both. So it's a great result. You have a geometric texture that have a perfect result, and we cut down the time almost 50% of most of the surfaces. So yeah, this is great. Jeff is giving us a good support, great support, and giving very great tools for the laser engraving. I think they have the right mindset to deliver great machines for the laser engraving.